Today on the Transplant Helper, we're going to be pausing once again to give away a couple more of this awesome product called the Vogmask. Now, I really appreciate each and every one of you who watched my original Vogmask review back a few weeks ago. I'll go ahead and link it up here in the corners. If you've not seen that, you really need to understand what this product is all about. But I want to especially give a huge shout out and a thank you to the nearly 200 of you who entered to win the original contest, which came up at the end of that particular video. And I know, even though at that point in time I was only able to give away 3 of the Vogmasks, many of you already know since that time the Vogmask company has hooked us up and given me 20 additional masks to give away. So I'm very, very excited about that. But tonight we're going to be giving away 2 of them. And the very first one, believe it or not, is going to come out of that same original hat. If you remember this beautiful blue hat right here, this little, if I can put it on without dumping everything, this little derby hat, I'm going to be giving out of it again tonight. So those of you who did not win the original drawing, you got yet another chance tonight. So I'm going to reach into this hat, pull out the very first name here. Let me get them stirred around. I'll do what you expect, which is to close my eyes. And the very first winner tonight is Terry Milligan. Terry Milligan, I really appreciate all that you do for the program. You're one of those people who comments on many, many episodes. You've been a huge supporter since the beginning. So Terry, you're the very first winner tonight of yet another Vogmask. So see, you didn't have to be disappointed. You had another shot. And so that's what you've got tonight. Now, if you don't mind, I'm going to take these about, I don't know how many there are, 198 some odd names left. Not got quite that much, whatever it is. 200 minus 4, but I'm going to dump those out. The hat is as clean as it can be. And then I'm going to take and give away another Vogmask tonight. Let me get this pulled up and I'll tell you what that was all about. If you remember, those of you who watched and shared out, that's what mattered, who shared out my program about the Priority of Transplant, the little thumbnail looks something like that. Put first things first. There were about 25, 26 of you who did that. So I'm going to take your names at this point and drop them all into this hat. So obviously your chances of winning because you did that are about 1 in 25. I'm going to shake those around, a little smaller number, but anyway, shake those around, close my eyes like you would expect, pull out another name, and let's see who wins tonight. Ashley D. Jones. Ashley D. Jones, there's your name. I really appreciate you sharing out that video as well. Put first things first was a little video I put together again about the Priority of Transplant. I got a ton of great feedback from that, and much of that has to do with those of you who are willing to share that out. So remember, tonight's drawing goes out. The first one was to Terry Milligan out of the very first group, and the second one here to Ashley D. Jones. I really appreciate each and every one of you support the program on a 2 to 3 time a week basis. I know that's a lot of videos to consume sometimes, but it's always a great opportunity for me to be able to produce them, and hopefully they'll continue to hopefully help you to continue to advocate, educate, and be motivated as a transplant patient. Now, if this program has helped you out in any way, which I guess it has if you won, if you didn't, maybe it didn't, but if you would, just go ahead and share this out so people know we're continuing the giveaway here. We've got about, I don't know, 16, 17 more masks to go, and we'll do that pretty much once a week for a while. But if you're not already subscribed to this program, I hope you'll go ahead and do that. Subscribe to this channel beneath the video. Maybe hit that bell notification out beside that so you'll be notified when new content comes out. And then take time tonight, go ahead and become a binge watcher. Watch as many of those videos as appeals to you, and always share those out and try to help someone around you. I appreciate what you're doing for me. I appreciate the opportunity to help you. If I've been able to do that, I'd love to hear about that. But until next time, please stay stronger, friends.